Hey everybody, Jim Creel from Wild Horses here with you today, and I want to show you our new 2021 and up Bronco light mount for the modular bumper. Nice heavy steel. This is all USA made, but what we've done, now me personally, I don't like the hoops myself, so I wanted to come up with something different, and this is what we did. This light bar, the curvature follows the curvature of the front of the bumper. It's actually held in with the factory hardware on the top side of the modular bumper. We give you some triple coated black washers to use along with the factory hardware that mounts it to the top. And then, like in this example, we've got our Wild Horses Revolution lights. You can actually, there's 5 slots. So depending on the brand, the light, the size you want to mount, there's 5 slots, and they're also adjustable for your positioning of the light. So there's a lot of flexibility with this particular mount. Here's an example of the Project X triple light version that we did. Whoa, is that CGI? What is that? Anyway, here they are. For more information, you can give us a call at 209-400-7200 or check us out online at wildhorses4x4.com. Appreciate you watching.